In this video, I want to show you how to screencastify your instructional video for your survey. So at this point, you should have done two things. You should have your 4 informational slides finished. Obviously, yours are going to say a little bit more than mine do right now, but you need 1 slide per option that people are going to have to select on the survey so that they are voting as an informed person and they know what the 4 options are. So you're going to have 1 that explains the proportional voting, 1 that explains national popular vote, interstate compact, a slide that explains direct popular vote, so abolishing the Electoral College completely, and then 1 that explains keeping the Electoral College as is. Your slides are probably going to have pictures or text on them, maybe a few short bullet points, but the majority of your information is going to come from what you are saying in your video. The second thing that you need to have done already is that you need to install the Screencastify extension. You have to be using a Chrome browser, a Google Chrome browser, to make this work. So once you've installed it and you've logged in with your student Google ID, it will appear up here in the top right-hand corner as a Chrome extension. To start recording, you're going to click on the Screencastify icon. It's this little pink arrowhead. You're going to tell it to record your desktop or browser tab only. Make sure that it's connected to your microphone and that you can be heard. You can see it's picking up my voice right here. And then turn off your webcam. You do not need to appear in this video at all. And then you're going to click record. It's going to ask you what screen you want to capture. And then it's going to give you a 3-second countdown with little beeps. As soon as it dings, it is automatically recording you. So I'm now making my Screencastify video. I'm going to tell you about these 4 survey options and walk you through them. I'm probably going to want to do so in present mode so that you can see all of the information clearly. When you're all done and happy with everything that you've said in your informational video, you're going to click on this Stop Sharing button in the center of your screen down at the bottom. That will automatically pop you into the Screencastify site where you can see the video that you just created. It automatically previews it for you here. You can pause it, play it, clip the beginnings and ends in case you fumbled around a little bit. The first thing you're going to want to do is give this video a title. I'm going to call it my Electoral College informational video. And then I'm going to select to publish it to YouTube. I'm going to click upload, and that's going to take a second to do its thing. And then it's going to give me 2 options. I can either copy the link or I can view it directly on YouTube. I'm going to go directly to YouTube to make sure that everything I'm doing so far works. And then you're also going to need to wait a second to let it process. Depending on the length of your video, this might take a minute or 2. Don't worry, it's doing what it needs to. You might need to refresh the screen a couple times to see when this is going to appear. When this is done processing, you're going to click on the Share button and then copy this link. This published YouTube link is what then gets embedded in your Google form for the survey so that people can watch it before they answer your questions. So that's how we use Screencastify. If you need to double check any of the instructions, go ahead and reverse this. Remember, the 2 things that you need done before you record are your 4-slide Google Slide project and to install the Screencastify extension.